Welcome to the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center. In 2004, a national level institute AMGITA has been started in the field of engineering and technology as per guidelines of All India Council for Technical Education AICTE New Delhi. AMGITA is approved by AICTE New Delhi, Gujarat State and affiliated to Gujarat Technological University Ahmedabad, which is also known as GTU. Our goal is to be an institute of generative ideas so that we remain relevant to our society. The AMGITA has always been an organization on move with continuous effort on improving its processes and to maintain its relevance to the Indian science scenario, with adding new programs in its programmatic portfolio. We strongly believe in overall development of students, so for that we provide them a different platform like state level tech fest, project fair, different sports activity, which helps students to teach teamwork and problem solving skills to get physical health benefits, boost self esteem, and reduce pressure and stress for prove their skills in distinct area. Welcome to the lecture of Power System Operation and Control. Myself, Professor Gaurang C. Patel from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. So, student, we are going to discuss about the chapter number 3, that is reactive power and voltage control. In chapter number 3, we will going in the detailed discussion of reactive loss characteristic of transmission line. So, student, this topic is very important regarding your examination, because so many times in examination it has been asked that define that reactive loss characteristic of transmission line. So how you can give the explanation of such kind of question, that I will explain you in this video lecture. Okay, so we will start with the explanation. So students, today what we are going to learn, we are going to learn about the reactive loss characteristic of transmission lines. Okay, so in last lecture we have seen that what is the surge impedance loading and what is the behavior of transmission line during that condition. Okay, so इस lecture में हम लोग क्या study करेंगे, what is the reactive loss characteristic, कि भाई reactive loss जब transmission line में होता है तब ट्रांसमिशन लाइन की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कैसी होती है और रिएक्टिव लॉस की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कैसी होती है ट्रांसमिशन लाइन में. ओके, सो नाउ we will begin with this first equation, that is the total series reactive losses in transmission line are given by, that is QSL, that SL, that is stands for series losses, and that is what we are what is our topic, that is the reactive loss, that is Q stands for the reactive loss. So that is the total series reactive losses is equal to I square L into X. So that is I square L into X, that is nothing but it is similar to the I square R losses. Okay, so over here I square L into X is going to be considered. So for constant system load, even with loss of heavily loaded extra high voltage line, that is a VA being constant. तो यहाँ पे VA क्या है, constant है, और at the change of reactive losses with voltage is obtained from equation 29. So अब हम देखेंगे कि भाई ये QSL इज इक्वल टू आई स्क्वायर एल इंटू एक्स कैसे होता है. ओके, और फर्दर उस पे से ये जो इक्वेशन है डी क्यू एस एल डिवाइडेड बाई डी वी इज इक्वल टू -2/VQ इंटू वी ए स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स, हाउ इट इज happen, how it will be come. Okay, so let we will see how it will be going to be happen. Just remember, that is we are starting with the QSL, that is our series reactive losses is equal to I square L into X. Okay, so with beginning of that, in हम यहाँ पे I square L into X है, उसकी जगह पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, I will show you. So in place of I square L, that is reactive power loss, we can write over here QSL is equal to VA by V upon square into X. So इन प्लेस ऑफ आई स्क्वायर एल हम ये जो हमारा करंट आई स्क्वायर एल जो है इंडक्टिव करंट, उसको उसके सॉरी लाइन करंट, उसकी जगह पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज अवर रिएक्टिव पावर डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वोल्टेज एट द रिसीविंग एंड, दैट इज VA, that is your VA, that is your apparent power divided by total voltage and total of that square into x, so that we can be right in place of QSL. और यह इस पे मैं क्यों ज़्यादा डेप्थ में डिस्कशन कर रहा हूँ, that I will show you when we solve the further equation. When we are talking about this equation, it is in book, it is given directly, that is minus 2 by v cube va square into x. So how it will become, that I am trying to explain you. Okay, so over here you can see in place of I square l, we are written down over here, that is va divided by v of whole square into x. Okay, so now we will take the derivative with respect to voltage v. अब यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि भाई जो ये इक्वेशन है उसको विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वी हम उसका डेरिवेशन करेंगे. ओके, सो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वी, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द derivation of this equation, that it will be become dqsl divided by dv, क्योंकि with respect to v हमें उसका डेरिवेटिव कर रहे हैं. तो right in that side what happen, that it will be that 2 is come over here, so my due to the derivation it is minus 2 by v cube into v a whole square into x. so इसका derivation ये इतना हमें मिलेगा. ओके, so it is a simple derivative form, students. So now further you will get up till this, ये कैसे आया आपको. अब I hope so you will be understood how it will be come, because over here it is written down directly, that is QSL is equal to I square L into X, and but how this term is comes, that I will show you over here. That is, we in place of I we are putting this VA by V value. Okay, now once you get the derivation of that, now what happened, that at the reactive loss what you have to consider, this VA term, that you have to consider your apparent power, that is constant. So this term you have to consider constant, so you can write down this equation in further form, dqsl by dv is proportional to 1 by v cube. Okay, now further you can see this equation can be written as qsl into va square into 1 upon v square by x. Now still till there is one twist is given over here, in that it will be given like that कि भाई ऐसे जो हमारा सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस है वो दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, क्यू एस एल इज इक्वल टू वी स्क्वायर इंटू 1 अपन वी स्क्वायर बाई x. Okay, so how it will become, that will that I will show you. So in place of va square, what we have written down in place of va square, that is nothing but the I square lx, and where it was given in at the beginning, that is our series reactive loss in transmission line is given as, this is your series reactive loss of transmission line, that is given as I square L into x. So that term we are going to write down over here. So simply जो हमने beginning में QSL is equal to I square L x जो लिया था वो यहाँ पे ले लिया है, और is equal to ये जो term हमने find किया है, but which term I am talking about, and I am talking about this term, that is the VA square divided by V into x, ये टर्म की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो दिस टर्म वी हैड रिटन डाउन, जो यहाँ पे नहीं दिया हुआ है, सो दैट will create little bit confusion for you guys, so I will just try to explain you. So that term I took it, the in place of QSL is equal to VA by V ऑफ होल स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स, इसको हमने वापस यहाँ पे ले लिया है. सो क्यू एस एल इज इक्वल टू आई स्क्वायर एल एक्स, और ये टर्म ऑलरेडी हमने डिराइव किया है स्टार्टिंग में ही, दैट इज इन प्लेस ऑफ आई स्क्वायर एल हमने क्या लिखा था, वी ए बाई वी ऑफ होल स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स. सो नाउ व्हाट वी कैन डू ओवर हियर, we can take this x up to there. So va, this is the va square divided by v square, और ये x अगर इसके नीचे चला जाएगा तो फिर उसको हम फर्दर कैसे लिख सकते हैं कि भाई ये va स्क्वायर है, उसको va स्क्वायर इंटू 1 अपन v स्क्वायर बाई एक्स लिख सकेंगे. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई इट इज That's how this equation is going to become. That is QSL is equal to VA square into 1 upon V square by X. So over here, that this term, I hope you can you do understand right now. When QSL is equal to, this term is arrived after this simplification, that is VA square into 1 upon V square by X. Okay, now students, अब हमें क्या देखना है कि भाई हमारे पास ये एक टर्म आ गया है VA square into 1 upon V square by X. सो फर्दर हमने क्या डिराइव किया था, सर्ज इम्पीडेंस लोडिंग. ओके, सर्ज इम्पीडेंस लोडिंग में क्या दिया हुआ था, सर्ज इम्पीडेंस लोडिंग हमारा कितना आया था, V square by Z0. और also you know that V square by Z0 is equal to, that is V square by X. so यहाँ पे भी हमने V square by X हमें दिख रहा है. so in place of V square by X we can written down over here, that is nothing but our surge impedance loading. so your QSL is equal to VA square divided by your surge impedance loading. so how, what is the reactive losses, you can say. Now we will go towards the this PDF. so over here, that is VA square divided by SL, that is your surge impedance loading. so in place of that series reactive losses, you can you arrive at this situation. Okay, now you can see from the graph, in the graph what they had given, that is the graph of line loading in multiple, surge impedance loading in PU versus react, that is QSL in terms of reactive capacity. और what क्या है भाई QSL, हमारा QSL क्या है, that is the series reactive loss. this is the series reactive loss, that is the QSL which is happens in, और जो ट्रांसमिशन लाइन में होता है सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस. तो उसका एक ग्राफ दिया हुआ है सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस का, कि भाई क्या है सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस. सो सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिएक्टिव कैपेसिटी, ये जो है दैट इज द सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस इन रिएक्टिव कैपेसिटी. और ये जो आपको दिया गया है यहाँ पे, दैट इज द लाइन लोडिंग इन मल्टीपल सर्ज इम्पीडेंस लोडिंग. तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आप देख रहे हैं कि भाई जितना आपका लाइन लोडिंग यहाँ तक, ये जो जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो आपका जो सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस है वो भी कंसिडरेबली इंक्रीज हो रहा है. मतलब जितना भी आपका सर्ज इम्पीडेंस लोडिंग आप फर्दर यहाँ पे जाएंगे, उतना आपका ये जो सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस भी बढ़ेगा. ओके, वो प्योरली लीनियरली ग्राफ नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन वो भी धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज हो रहा है. ओके, सो there is one statement is given here, we will focus in this in that statement right now, what we will going to be arrived over here. so over here, in practical system, what is given in practical system, line loading after disturbance may be very high. Okay, so what happened over here, just a moment. Okay, so in practical system, line loading after disturbance may be very high, leading to high series reactive loss. तो practical system में क्या है कि line loading after disturbance, एक बार अगर disturbance हुआ, फिर वापस जब line को हम load करते हैं, that is may be very high, leading to high series reactive loss, which in turn lowers the transmission voltage. तो and second term that is given, this enormous rise in reactive power demand can cause voltage stability of the system. so students, from that theory we can understood that when there is a line loading after disturbance will occur, there is a high series reactive loss will be there. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देखते हैं कि भाई लाइन लोडिंग इन मल्टीपल सर्ज इम्पीडेंस लोडिंग, तो जब आपको ये लाइन लोडिंग आप करते हैं, तो आपका आप देख रहे हैं कि भाई आपका सीरीज रिएक्टिव लॉस कितना हाई जा रहा है. ओके, सो what will be the conclusion? So in practical system, line loading after disturbance may be very high, leading to high series reactive loss, which in turn lowers the transmission line voltage. और उसके वजह से क्या हो सकता है कि आपका this enormous rise in reactive power demand can cause voltage instability of the system. Okay students, so that's how this theory is going to be you can explain when it will be asked in examination, that is the reactive loss characteristic of transmission line, and you can easily explain with this explanation. Okay, so I hope you understood. So, students, finally, as in every lecture, after completion of every lecture, I will try to give you a message that please remember turn off the light when it is not required. Okay, so please save the energy, save the electricity. Thank you very much.